This is the people versus Juanita Robinson, ticket number SP 1411952, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Blanding.
Officer Michaela Blanding.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Robinson. Ma'am, can you state your name?
Juanita Robinson.
Your Honor, Ms. Robinson did provide insurance. It's dated 6/27/2023. I'm asking this matter be dismissed for documentation.
Officer Blanding, considering that Ms. Robinson does have valid documentation, you're okay with this matter being dismissed?
Yes, that's.
Okay, you stipulate the proper cause, Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Robinson, good luck to you. Thank you, Officer Blanding.
Thank you. I can go now because I got to get back to work.
Yes, ma'am. This is the people versus Jidel Durham, ticket number SP 1418463. Count one, improper plates. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Rule. Mr. Davis, turn your video on, please. Go ahead, Mr. Corporal Rule.
Go ahead, Your Honor.
All right, can you say your name, please?
I'm sorry.
Corporal, go ahead.
Did you say something?
Judge wants you to state your name, Corporal.
Oh, I'm
Rule.
sorry. I didn't hear that part. I'm sorry. This is Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police, 6th Precinct.
Thank you.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Durham. Mr. Durham, can you say your name?
Jardel Durham.
Your Honor, people have made a recommendation to my client. He would plead to one count of improper plates. The other two counts would be dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Can you say that again?
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to December 30th, 2022 at 8:44 p.m. on the date and time where you at or near Joy Road and Evergreen Road in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
You driving a 2007 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
Plates on that vehicle?
I can't hear you.
Were your plates improper on that vehicle?
At that time, yes.
You're satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
And court's also satisfied factual basis. You stipulate the proper cause as to counts 2 and 3 to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by May 4th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you. Thank you, Corporal Rule.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dozier, have a seat until it's your turn, sir. You're almost out of here. You just need to wait for your turn. All the stuff you're doing in the background, you're in court. You got to be at attention, okay, sir? Ladies and gentlemen, if you could mute your devices until the judge calls your name, we would greatly appreciate it. That includes you, Mr. Dismute.
All right. Mr. Dismute have on the record. I mean, on the docket.
Mr. Dismute is on the docket, Your Honor. He has a trial, I believe.
I think matters does he have, because
He has one on the docket.
it looks like he has some other matters. They might be in warrant status.
The one that is up for trial, Your Honor, is a no PO. I'm not aware of any other matters.
Yeah. Okay, so he still has Looks like he has 6 other matters that have not been adjudicated. Yeah, they're all in warrant status. So I can call this the one that's with the no PO. But what do you want to do with these other tickets? Do you want to set these matters for trial as well?
Yeah, I would more than likely set them for trial. I don't know anything about them. I don't know what type of tickets they are to help tell him what to get ready for the trial day. So I'll need more information, Your Honor. But with regards to this one, we do want to move forward with this one, and then we'll probably set that one for trial and ask you to set the warrants aside
All right.
since he is present before the court.
Okay, so I'll call this one. This is People versus Lamarco dispute, ticket number SP 1411927, count 1, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gaden Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Mr. Dismuke. Mr. Dismuke, please state your name for the record.
Marco Dismuke.
Your Honor, Mr. Dismuke has a matter on the docket for set for trial. The officer has not appeared. It is 10:18, and we're seeking a dismissal of that matter.
All right, the court will dismiss this matter as the officer has failed to appear. As far as his other matters that are in warrant status, do you want me to call these as well and just set them for a bench trial?
Mr. Dismuke, do you understand the difference in the jury trial and the bench trial?
No.
So a jury trial is when a jury of your peers, 6 of your peers from the city of Detroit, would come in and make a decision as to whether or not they believe you are guilty of the accusations that are being brought against you. A bench trial is when a judge decides. A bench trial date is what you had today. You have a right to have either one of them. If you have a jury trial, I need you to understand that it will take some time because there is a backlog of jury trials that are waiting to go ahead of you. Either way, I'm not trying to discourage you from doing it. I just want to make sure that you are informed. You can have a bench trial where the judge makes the decision, or a jury trial where 6 of your peers come in and make the decision. What type of trial would you like for your other matters?
Bench trial.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. let me call him first. This is the People versus Lamarco dispute, ticket number SP 1287709, count 1, improper place, count 2, driver register or title vehicle, count 3, driver license suspended, ticket number SP 1254281, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, driver register or entitled vehicle, and ticket number SP 1314915, count 1, driver license suspended. Raise your right hand, Mr. Dismute. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty to these matters for a bench trial on April 19th at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions?
No.
We're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, Ms. Gagan.
Thank you.
One moment.
No, there's holding, sure.
This is the People versus Erica Doris. Ticket number U599125521, count 1, indecent and obscene conduct. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Erica Doris. This matter is set for trial today. The officer has not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set, Ms. Doris. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mhm.
This is the People versus Samuel Dozier, ticket number SP 1402959, count 1, render assistance to drag race in any manner, spectator, and count 2, reckless driving. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Mr. Dozier. Mr. Dozier, please state your name for the record.
Samuel Dozier.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for trial. The officer is not present, and we are seeking a dismissal of this matter.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set, Mr. Dozier. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. All right, this is the People versus Marcus Davis, ticket number U 638-01722, count 1, delinquency of a minor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Marcus Davis.
It's an OPO.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Mr. Marcus Davis. Mr. Davis is here for trial, Your Honor. The officer has not signed in. It is 10:23, and we're seeking a dismissal.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set, Mr. Davis. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Miss Doris, you can hang up. You're all set.
All right,
I
this
have
is
a
the
question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this for my dismissal of my tickets? I had 3 tickets. Is that for all 3 of my tickets?
I believe we only had 1.
No, I had 3 tickets.
I saw that. I didn't see all the other tickets in the, so the other tickets are closed out. This was the only ticket that you had pending.
Okay, so the other tickets are dismissed too.
Wait. You know what? You do have. You do have another, but this is, it's set for a pretrial before Judge Bryant. Yes, you do have a hearing next week before Judge Bryant.
Let me
But,
check. I think I have it wrote down, Your Honor. Judge
Yes.
Bryant, I have, yeah, hold on. Judge Bryant for the 13th, then I have one for Judge Jerry on the 11th.
Okay, but as far as, I think that's it. Besides that, I think you got everything taken care of. Those other tickets, they're closed out.
All the little minor tickets.
Yes.
All righty. Thank you so much. You have a beautiful day.
You too, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
I don't see no other tickets. That's it. All right. This is the People versus Alyssa Reed, ticket number SP 1406646, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Elisa Reed.
And I know there's a count two.
Lisa Reed. Today is trial date. The officer did not appear. I'm moving for dismissal.
Both of these matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear. You are all set, Ms. Reed. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Have a great day.
You too, ma'am.
Your Honor, it appears as if we lost Mr. Alante Reynolds. He is supposed to be taking the driver's improvement course and coming back for
I'm going to
a,
admit him. He's in the
okay.
waiting room. Or the judge admitted him. Okay.
All right. So we can do Mr. Reynolds. We'll just give him another date.
And we're gonna set it for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay. Got a lot to do.
You said he has a lot of tickets. I only have 1 on the docket.
No, I was just saying, no, I didn't say, I was asking if he had to file. All right, this is ticket number SP 1386464, count 1, reckless driving. Good morning, please say your names for the record. And this people.
Alante Reynolds.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Reynolds. Your Honor, I have spoken to Mr. Reynolds about this matter. We are asking that the court give him a trial date, a bench trial date. We are also asking that the court make note in the file that he will be taking the driver's improvement course in hopes to being able to negotiate a better outcome for this matter. In the event that he does it, Mr. Reynolds has Googled certified Secretary of State courses for the state of Michigan. He would like to know if the basic driver's improvement course would be sufficient.
All right, okay, so the court has noted that he will take a driver's improvement course. Raise your right hand, Mr. Reynolds. Do you swear or affirm to the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this matter for a bench trial on April 19th at 9 o'clock. You got that date?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I suggest you call, or get registered for that class, ASAP.
Okay, I had a quick question. When I did
Yes,
Google it, it came up BDIC sponsors, and it got like a list of different classes. So I could pick any class from that list.
I'm not sure what the classes are, so go ahead.
You need a certified driver's improvement course.
Yeah, so like I said, I did Google that, and when I Googled it, it came up different sponsors for the BDIC.
So it's probably different providers.
Right.
You need to pick one that will accommodate your schedule because you need it done before April the 19th.
Okay, I got you.
Okay.
So if all else fails, you can always call probation, and they can lead you the right way. So you got a pen to write this number down?
Yes, hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm ready.
965-3141. It's 313.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we're gonna do Ms. Sokolowski's matter.
Thank you, Judge. I know that my client's in a waiting room somewhere.
He's in the breakout room.
Yes, there he is. Excellent.
Turn your video on, Mr. Dayco. This is the People versus John Dayco, ticket number B129111, count 1, failed to prevent animal from engaging in nuisance behavior. Ticket number B129110, count 1, harboring an unlicensed dog. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Dora Hermes Sokolowski on behalf of Mr. John Dayco. Mr. Dayco, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is John Dayco, and thank you for having me.
How did you wish to proceed?
Your Honor, I have had a chance to discuss this matter with Madam Prosecutor, and while this morning has progressed, we have exchanged a dismissal form. I've signed, she's signed, and that has been submitted. And we ask that you accept the dismissal of all charges against Mr. Dayco.
Did you send it to me? I think you did, and I think you did. All right.
In addition to the dismissal form, you should also have proof of licensing and vaccination for Mr. Dayco's dog.
With that, do you stipulate the proper cause? I have the dismissal form. Oh, I think I have some other forms as well. Yes. You stipulate the proper cause, Ms. Sokolowski?
I stipulate to the dismissal based on no probable cause, correct?
All right. So the court will dismiss these matters without prejudice. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck, sir.
Oh, here. I'm bringing in Miss Remmer, Your Honor. She got cut out, so I'm gonna bring her back and we're ready on her. So.
Is Ms. Horn in one of the breakup? What, am I missing Ms. Horn?
I need Miss Horn also, but.
No. Officer Mitchell, you're all set. We're gonna capias the person you're here for.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
Your Honor, is there any update on Mr. Roberts?
So we got a probation officer here for Mr. Roberts.
Mhm.
We got a probation officer that just walked through the door.
Your Honor, could you do Miss Rummer, please? She'll be real quick. She's in an interview, a job interview, so.
All right, this is the People versus Tiara Rimmer. Ticket number SP 13. SP 1393334, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Miss Rummer. Miss Rummer, can you state your name?
Tiara Rimmer.
Your Honor, my client is entering a plea of not guilty, asking for a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rimmer. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, the court's going to continue. You're not guilty. Please set this matter for a bench trial for April 19th at 9.
Thank you.
So you're all set.
Thank you.
First name is Jawan. You said William's name was attached to it. We looked for it. I couldn't find anything, but Officer Bradfield was able to recover the file. He has it, and he has had contact that person before. So he was saying you guys can contact him.
We need him now. What's his number? Well, just tell him we need him now.
Okay, thank you.
All right, has anyone spoken to Raymond Diaz? I don't know why these people keep leaving the breakout room.
I spoke with Raymond Diaz. He's ready. Is he on the screen?
Yeah. What about Miss Richardson? Are we ready on her?
She's sleeping. I saw her sleeping this last time, but I couldn't get her to respond.
She needs to connect her audio. Here, let me send her a.
Oh, that's why I've been yelling at her. No wonder. Trying to get her attention.
Hello. What about Rockamore? Are you ready on that one? Has anyone spoken to you, Ms. Rockamore?
Yes, I'm sorry. I tried to connect it to my computer instead of the phone. Sorry.
I'll put you back in the wait room.
I don't think there's an officer, Your Honor. She's here for a trial, so I think.
The officer's here.
Oh, okay.
Matthew Webb is here.
Tamika said she'd be here shortly. She trying.
Okay.
All right, so you said Diaz is ready?
Yes.
Trying.
I got it. Can you get, let me see if Corporal Spidell comes out. Daniel Dixon, are you just checking in? Mr. Dixon, are you just checking in? Mr. Dixon, turn your video on. Are you just checking in, sir? Mr. Dixon, can you hear me? You have checked in.
Yes, I don't. Everybody
Mr.
around.
Dixon. Are you just not checking in, sir?
Hello?
Yes. Are you just checking in? Why are you so
Oh,
late?
yes.
Why are you so late? Your matter was set at 9 o'clock. It's 10:30.
My fault. I thought it was at 10 o'clock.
No, it wasn't.
I believe he's an OPO.
He is. All right, we'll call it. This is the People versus Raymond Diaz, ticket number, Can you get Corporal Spidel, Ms. Soroki?
Yes.
Thank you. And Officer Batum. Do you have anyone
Platoon and
else?
Spidel, okay.
I did have Reed. What happened to Reed? Well, did you have Rashawn Reed check?
What trial?
First, yeah. Rashawn.
No. That was Alicia Reed. Spelled different.
What about Angel White?
Wire, I didn't have a check. Officer checked in. Stewart, he checked me. She,
Officer Hale, Rashawn Reed did not check in. We're gonna KP some.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Officer Batum, we're gonna KP Ms. Dickerson.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is People versus Raymond Diaz, ticket number SP 1410871. Count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Hello, my name is Raymond Diaz.
Officer Spidel.
Corporal Spidel, batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Diaz, the people have made a recommendation to my client. He would plead to 1 count of improper plate. The other 2 matters are being dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Diaz. Other hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Soroki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right? I'm sorry,
No.
has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 29, 2022 at 4:30 p.m. On the date and time, were you at near Grand River and Jeffries Freeway in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Driving a 2003 Ford vehicle,
Yes, ma'am.
having proper plates on that vehicle.
Yes.
Satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
It's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. You stipulate your probable cause as to counts 1 and 3 to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Diaz. Can you have that fine paid by May 4th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, Officer Stewart, Angel Dwyer did not check in. It's gonna be a KPS.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the People versus Daniel Dixon, ticket number SP 1396426, count 1, failed to disclose to officer that he or she is carrying a pistol, and count 2, violation of city marijuana code. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Daniel Dixon.
Say your name, Mr. Dixon.
Daniel Dixon.
Your Honor, these matters are set for trial today. The officers not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear. You are all set, Mr. Dixon. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, are we ready? Were we ready on Ms. Richardson or no?
No, the
Yeah, I'm
officer,
here.
the officer is here, so I wasn't able to speak to her. She
Okay,
wasn't connected.
so I'll put her back in the breakout room. Ms. Richardson, please, enter room number 4. Oh, no, you must already be in a room. Rejoin, tap your screen and rejoin room number 11.
Does it tap your screen, ma'am?
People have-
Sorry, this is good.
Here, I'll move you. I move you to room number 5. You see that?
That's fine.
I don't know what happened to,